Hello friends, this is Dr. Ramesh Kannan, Siddha and Acupuncture Medical Practitioner on behalf of Muscular Dystrophy Cure Foundation also. Today we are going to talk about acupuncture and acupressure and how it is impacting on muscular dystrophy and its related congenital disorders. Muscular dystrophy starts in early childhood or in the teenage years. Children who have this condition will start to have symptoms such as frequent falls, weak muscles, muscle contraction, problem with get up, and a problem with climb on stairs, and a problem with holding or lifting something with their hands. Also, other symptoms include curvature of spine, drooling, droopy eyelids, heart problems, trouble in breathing, swallowing problem, and vision disturbances also. Different types of muscular dystrophy have a different set of mutation and different types of symptoms also. These are happening by this mutated gene make the body unable to produce dystrophin. We are all know dystrophin is a protein. It is very essential for building muscles and bones. We are thinking muscular dystrophy is a lifelong condition for which there is no cure, but it can be cured by dealing combined treatment of Siddha and acupuncture. The main fact is that this disorder happens due to the deficiency and damage of liver, spleen, kidney and stomach. Acupuncture remedy has proven that lead to healthy and normal life to muscular dystrophy patients. These remedy make the afflicted patients to overcome the existing and condition. Probably it is a considerable good news for us. We can see symptomatic improvement from treatment after 2 or 3 weeks. Acupuncture and acupressure and how it is impacting on the disorder of muscular dystrophy. Acupressure gives wonderful result for congenital disorder, especially for muscular dystrophy, scoliosis, spasticity, sclerosis, hydrocephalus, etc. Acupressing on specific mentioned points gives increased muscle function, immunity, metabolism also. Especially acupuncture and acupressure increases muscle productivity, calcium absorption, bone development, and it loosens and free up the tightened tendons, muscles around the limb and girdle area. There are hundreds of points for muscular dystrophy and the list of symptoms, types of disorder, and the retarded level. Points may vary, but I like to share some points. Those are most important special points on the basis of some experts' experience and with my experience also. We can start by pressing LU5. LU5 means lunge 5 and LI11 and LI10. LI10 is a motor point for muscles and calcium absorption. It increases the function and the muscle metabolism. Then P5. P means pericardium. It's a good stimulator point for nerve function. Then SP6. SP means spleen. SP6. It is immunity point and for blood circulation also. Then SP9, ST31, then ST32. ST means stomach. Then ST36. GB34. GB means gallbladder. Gallbladder 34 and gallbladder 38. Gallbladder 38 is for motor point for nerves also. Then and GB34 mean gallbladder 34 for tendon muscle, and GB20, UB60, UB20, UB21, UB18, UB40, UB62, UB41, UB27, UB11, UB57, then K2, K2 mean kidney, K2, K3 and RN17. Finally complete with pressing K1. Now we can see all those points once again. Initially start with LU5, then LI11, then LI10. LI mean large intestine. You can search all these points in web portal. Okay, LU5, LI11, LI10. LI10 is a motor point, already I have told. Then P5, P mean pericardium, P5, then SP6, SP9, ST31, ST mean stomach, ST31, ST32, ST36, then GB34, GB38, GB20, UB60, UB mean urinary bladder, UB60, UB20, UB21, UB18, UB40, UB62, UB41, UB27, UB11, UB57, then K2, K3 and REN17. Finally complete with pressing K1. After pressing all those points, complete pressing with K1. We should press those particular points at morning or evening, or once in daily or twice in daily, but we should press those points before food. Definitely wrong pressing of points will not give any side effects. While pressing, if you feel pain, then that is the exact point. It means you are pressing exact point. It is the pain is also a good indicator for cure. If you feel pain, then you will get cured also. The problem will solve soon. Muscular dystrophy patient with multi-defects can see the positive result when you acupressure regularly. They will get rid of from spasticity, sclerosis and even hydrocephalus also. Their tightened tendon and nerve roots will get free up gradually. They will feel better today than previous day. Proper and correct points following greatly gives positive result than any other therapies. We should strictly follow breakfast between 7 to 7:30. At the same time, the muscular dystrophy patients should strictly follow their breakfast in between 7 to 7:30 a.m. While being under the course of acupressure, the patient will see some symptoms. It means negative symptoms like itches on skin, suddenly arising pain on a particular part of the body, or already existing pain may shift from one place to another place. Usually they can face tiny bit pimples with pus on their leg, chest, knee, thumb and finger of the legs also. Even they may face wart with pus, but all these negative symptoms will appear and again it will disappear for a particular period of time. It is temporary, that's it. Because the toxins and unwanted defecations removing from their body. The patients should be aware of it and conscious about it also. They should maintain patience till they get cured from muscular dystrophy. Those above mentioned acupoints are enough